Hello, my name is Virginia Crimp, and today I will be performing I'm the Greatest Star from Funny Girl. I got 36 expressions, sweet as pie to tough as leather. And that's 6 expressions more than all them paramours put together. Instead of just kicking me, why don't they give me a lift? I think it's a plot, because they're scared that I got such a gift. Well, I'm miffed, 'cause I'm the greatest star. I am by far, but no one knows it. Wait, they're gonna hear a voice, a silver flute. They'll cheer each toot when I expose it. Now can't you see to look at me that I'm a natural Camille? As Camille, I just feel I've so much to offer. Hey, listen, kid, I know I'd be divine because I'm a natural coiffer. Some ain't got it, not a lump. I'm a great big clump of talent. Laugh. They'll bend in half. You ever hear the story of the traveling salesman? 1,000 jokes. Stick around for the jokes. 1,000 faces. I reiterate. When you're gifted, then you're gifted. These are facts. I've got no axe to grind. Hey! What are they, blind? In all of the world so far, I'm the greatest star. Who is the pip with pizzazz? Who is all ginger and jazz? Who is as glamorous as? Who's an American beauty rose with an American beauty nose and 10 American beauty toes? Eyes on the target and wham! One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, Mr. Ziegfeld, here I am. I'm the greatest star. I am by far, but no one knows it. That's why I was born. I'll blow my horn till someone blows it. I light up like a light, right up like a light. I'll flicker and flare up. Oh, the world's gonna stare up. Looking down, you'll never see me. Try the sky, 'cause that'll be me. I can make 'em cry. I can make 'em sigh. Someday they'll clamor for my drama. Have you guessed yet? Who's the best yet? If you ain't, I'll tell you one more time. You bet your last dime. In all of the world so far, I am the greatest star.